In today's video, we are going to make the tassel wall hanging decor. This wall hanging decor is the most simple, but it turned out to be the best. And this series of the wall hanging decor is going to be the best, I guess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gayatri, and if you are new here, and I make the videos of DIY home decor and some yummy recipes. If you do like such a videos, then please keep on watching, and please make sure hit the like button, smash that red subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you will notify whenever I upload a new video. So let's begin with today's video.
For this tassel wall hanging piece, we need a yarn. So here I am taking this shimmery yarn. Now we will make some tassels. For that, first we will make the tassel maker. For that, take the piece of cardboard or a thick sheet. Now cut that according to required tassel length. So here I will take the 7-inch length for the tassel. Now make a cut at the top, approximate 1 inch from the above the cardboard. Make the marking to create a gap of ½ inch and cut according to the marking, as here I am doing. This will help to knot the tassel easily. Now make a cut at the bottom. Now take the wool and place the one end in the cut at the bottom of the cardboard. Now wrap the wool around the cardboard. Count the number of rounds we wound, so it will help to make the tassels of equal size. Here I have wrapped it around the 30 times. Now cut the wool. Now make the knot through the cut we made on the cardboard, as here I am doing. Now take a long wool, fold it in a half and tie at the top of the tassel. Lastly, cut the tassel's ends. This tassel maker helps us to make the lot of tassels easily of the same size. Now take the ice cream sticks, place the tassels on a ground, put the glue on the ice cream sticks. Here I am using Fevicol's All Fix glue. Now place the one ice cream stick below the wool and place the other ice cream sticks on top of that. Means our wool thread is in between the two ice cream sticks, as here I am showing you. Now take the box, make a semicircle and cut out the semicircle. Make such a 2 pieces. Color it on one side with a black color. Now after drying the color, place 1/2 of circle upside down and place all the tassels and arrange it on the circular side of the half moon. Just like here I am doing. Now with the help of hot glue gun, stick all the tassels to the cardboard. Now place the second piece of cardboard on top and stick it with the hot glue gun. Press firm so it will stick properly. Now collect all the threads of the tassels above and place on a small cord piece. Stick it on that with the help of hot glue gun. Also place some wool to create the loop for hanging purse, and lastly on top cover that with another piece of cardboard. Cut the excess threads of the tassels and our tassel wall hanging is ready to decor our home. This series of wall hanging is going great. Hope you all enjoying it. If you haven't watched previous wall hangings,
that's it for the today's video. If you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Till then, watch my previous video. Thanks for watching. Bye.